What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on PYTH. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact trade that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end, because in my opinion this coin right now is looking really great. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am every day sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. Here we are having few important things. The first one is this bearish order block, which is for me the most important current resistance area. This area is between levels 0.175 and 0.169. Then we are having here this trend line. Usually I am not trading this, but because this is really huge retail coin, a lot of people will be probably speculating here. So this is another thing that I will be talking about in today's video. And then we are having here this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.145 and 0.140. So let's start with this trend line. You can see we already had here a breakout, and right now we are about to do here a support confirmation. If this will be just a fake out, then I'm expecting we are gonna fall to like these lower levels, then we can trade this bullish order block. But if there will be a support confirmation, this can be actually a first interesting long opportunity. Entry I would place above the high that we created during the fake out. Stop loss you can place under that candle, and last take profit targets you can place under this previous important high. So this trade will give you potential profit 22.7% of a net market, potential stop loss 2.3%, risk reward ratio up to 9.82. This trade is definitely really risky because you are not trading here important liquidity area, but as I said, this is a huge retail coin, so probably I would make here an exception. Your main take profit target is actually this bearish order block, so you want to take at least around like 30% of the entire trade in this area, then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Another way how to trade this is simply to wait for a retest of this bearish order block, which will be probably my current favorite setup. And if we will see here a breakout with a support confirmation, I want to take here completely different trade. So stop loss you want to place under this bearish order block. So stop loss will be around 4.2% of a net market. Last take profit target you can place under this previous important highs. So again, potential target is around like 40.2%. Potential stop loss 4.2% again, which is giving us risk reward ratio almost 10, which is really great. In a trade like this, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this previous important high, then under this previous important highs, this area of increased liquidity, then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is going to be around like 6, something like that, which is in my opinion really great. Of course, you can combine these two previous setups, so you can open a long position right now if there will be a support confirmation and increase bullish volume. Take your whole position like after we will take liquidity above, then wait for a support confirmation and then enter a new long position. If you will actually trade here something like this, your risk reward ratio is still going to be pretty good because we are aiming only for, let's say, 2.5% stop loss. So this can be a potential profit around 7.4%, which will give you a risk reward ratio up to 3. You can take just like once you take profit targets. This will give you really great setup. And the last potential trading setup that I'm currently watching here on a 4-hour chart will be valid if this will be just a fake out. If this will be just a fake out and we will see here a resistance confirmation, Yeah, according to TA, you can take your short position with like stop loss above the high that we created during the fake out. Last take profit target can be in this bullish order block. Actually, of course, you can take it, but in my opinion, this is still kind of risky because this can be just a fake out on the long side, then fake out on the short side, and then it will pump anyways. So me personally, I wouldn't trade this, but according to like good risk reward ratio analysis and TA, this is like not a wrong setup. But the better setup that you can take here will be valid in case of a retest of this area. Best scenario, liquidated grab under all of these previous important lows, because a lot of people who are opening some long positions in these areas, they probably put their stop losses in these levels. So you want to take whole liquidity here, then enter in this bullish order block after pullback and then support confirmation, and your stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. With this setup, you can actually aim for this previous high, so potential profit around 74% of a net market. Potential stop loss will be probably around 5, but of course we don't know how big the potential fake outs can be, and your risk reward ratio is gonna be 14.5. Again, in a trade like this, you definitely want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this resistance area, under this bearish order block, this high area of increased liquidity, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So from risk reward ratio of 14, you will get risk reward ratio like 10, 9, something like that, which is another really great potential setup. So if there will be another dump in the whole crypto market, this is the setup on this coin that I would look for. If you want to see some analysis on a higher time frame than on a daily time frame, we are again breaking this important resistance area, but the most important thing is this bearish order block. If there will be a breakout and support confirmation, you want to open here a long position with stop loss under this area. In this case, the stop loss will be around like 8.58% of a net market, and last take profit targets you can actually place under this next bearish order block, because we will have a confirmation on a higher time frame. We can speculate for a bigger profit. So potential profit around 75%, stop loss around 8.58%, risk reward ratio up to 8.71 with multiple take profit targets. Again, you will get really great setup. In my opinion, PYTH will pump in this bull market, and I think we can reach that let's say $0.9 mark, something like that. I think something under $1 mark is possible if actually we will see a huge bull market. So from this current level, this can be a pump around like 450% of a net market, something like that. But if you want to be speculating for something like this, do not risk a high percentage of your trading portfolio. Use like 1%, 2%, something like that. If this won't happen, you are not gonna lose that much. If this will happen, you will still make a lot of money. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. If you want to be part of my trading community, link to join is in the description or in the comments. I am posting their analysis every day on the coins that I'm currently watching, so I highly recommend you to join. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. See ya.